My friends, today we're going to make banana bread because we have leftover banana. So the ingredients for this, we have 3 bananas. So don't throw it away if you have bananas who are like very ripe. Don't throw it away because you can make that one banana bread. So we have like 113 or 1/2 cup of butter, 2 eggs, and then sour cream, vanilla, we have salt, baking soda, sugar, and of course all-purpose flour. Okay, my friends, I will give you all the ingredients in my YouTube. Okay, so please follow me in YouTube. I will write down all the ingredients. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, next step is you have to mix all the dry ingredients, like 1.5 cup of flour, and then 1 cup of sugar, and then the anyway, all the dry ingredients, mix them together. And then for the meantime, I'm going to mash the 3 bananas. When everything mixed and smooth, put in a non-stick pan and then bake it at 350 until golden brown. Then we insert the toothpick. When it comes out clean, that means it's cooked. Okay, the banana bread is almost done. It's brown, nice and brown. Maybe 5 more minutes.